Let's unbox my April Ipsy Glambag. As always, it comes in the signature pink bubble wrap mailer. Into the actual design, we have these beautiful blue flowers, perfect timing for spring. And then on the back side, it says look good, do good. And then you have this ox blood colored tassel that says Ipsy. These come in handy for so many things, whether you need a toiletry bag, something for feminine products, you need a pencil pouch, re-gifting things to friends. These, you can never have too many of these. First up from Benefit, we have the Porefessional. This is the Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser. That's a mouthful. I love the most about Ipsy. You get full-size products, but you also have a lot of nice travel size products. So whenever I'm on the go, I don't have to worry about throwing anything out. I don't have to worry about checking bags because I already have things that are travel friendly. And these are deluxe sample sizes, so you get to use it more than once to really formulate an opinion on whether you like it or not. Next up from Shades by Shan, we have this gel eyeliner. Never have too many eyeliners. From Hey Honey, we have this Come Clean facial scrub. This cleanser is described as non-abrasive and clears away rough patches and blackheads from the skin. Next from Shana B Miami, we have this eyeshadow duo, the pink matte shade, and then you have this golden shimmer shade on the right. And then the fifth and final product in this month's glam bag is from I Am Beautiful. I like your eyeball. And this is their Length Volume Mascara. Another thing that you can never have too much of. Definitely go ahead and make a little toiletry bag for traveling, for girls trips, whatever. Have it set to the side and let it go.